Hey, this is Main Art. Thanks for checking out my video. Today I have an interesting looking owl-like creature here. It's part of this tree design that I did before. And that video is posted, but I'm gonna just jump in quick here and start adding some texture, some different designs to this thing, and we'll see what we can do. Um, for me, of course, if you check my other videos, I always like to use some different colorations, different things. Always the charcoal and the pastel. Nice combination of those. And I'm just gonna get some color in here, almost like we're really painting with the pastels. And then come back in with our charcoal, so we can get a really cool effect. If you like this type of stuff, definitely check out some of my other videos. It's all primarily charcoal, pastel, different designs, more of the horror genre. So definitely something to check out. Just gonna add a little bit more texture in here, give it an interesting look. Just very loose with the pastel and the charcoal. All right, so we definitely have more of a interesting looking creature. Okay, yeah. Start working in some color. Bring these wings to light a little bit. Going back over to reinforce those lines. And we go from dark to light. All right. There's some changes on this side. Perhaps this is gonna just hook down a little bit. Definitely looks more of a webbing type look. Then get some texture in here. All right, so yeah, it's definitely coming along there. And again, we're just letting the drawing kind of take effect, having fun with it. Um, seeing what kind of shapes we can get, coloration, and that's most important. I'm gonna just work in some additional colors on this side with our shapes. All right, so yeah, just really working in these wings. Some cool colors. And I'm gonna go back over this, of course, so just kind of getting some rough lines in there. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely starting to look really strange, this character. Darken it up here a little bit with that top section. See if we can really get some shadow off the side. Just gonna blend that. So very, very interesting so far. And it definitely too, you can just beauty of this is you can sometimes just get in there and see how the colors look together, get some really interesting mixes. It's what I always love about using this type of medium. Just can really just have fun, just let the drawing take shape. All right. Still working in some different colors that we have. Make that pop. All right. So yeah, definitely start adding some more white in this section. See if we can come in. All right, so let's continue to add some texture on the wings. Going over those lines, it's gonna give us a cool look. Even in this section, breaking this out a little bit, this kind of tracked sinew. This side as well. Add some dark areas into the light. See if I can add a little bit of some cuts on this side. Make that look unique. And then back in that section, add a little bit more middle. All right. Let's extend this a little bit, these wings. And now I'm going to get in and let's see what we can do with the eyes. Get some creepy, interesting eyes here. See what kind of colors can come out on these eyes. Quick cut there. Now I'm going to see if we can, let's brighten these up a little bit more, make them really interesting. Even come in, the white can accentuate. All right, so yeah, that's definitely looking interesting. And like I was saying, you could always just have fun, just see where the color takes you, the drawing takes you. Come back in. Get some really unique stuff happening. Yeah, so real interesting. And definitely, like I said, if you like this type of stuff, I invite you to check out my other videos. I've been adding things, charcoal, pastel, definitely more of a horror vibe. So I invite you to check it out. Definitely, if you like it, to subscribe. Been adding videos every few days, so just doing different things. Just gonna darken a few areas here, and then I think it might be good for this. All right. Well, thank you for I appreciate it. I invite you again to subscribe and be sure to be on the lookout for additional videos. Do a continuation of this piece here, this owl, and we'll take it from there. Thank you. I appreciate it. Take care.